If you think that an egg simply comes out of a hen's belly, just like the ones we buy from the market, then this truth of avian biology will shock you. A hen's body does not store any eggs. Instead, every 25 to 26 hours, her body builds a complete egg entirely from scratch. From a soft and liquid yolk to the hard, stone-like calcium shell on the outside, this entire journey is nature's fastest biochemical assembly line. So, how is this hard shell formed inside the hen's belly in just 24 hours? And what embryological science works behind it? At first glance, the formation of such a perfectly round and hard calcium shell inside a soft piece of flesh feels like impossible engineering. If a human had to store this much calcium inside their body to create a hard layer, it would take weeks. But a hen's reproductive system performs this task continuously without any interruption. Let's dive deep into the 5-stage biofactory network operating inside a hen's body that layers the egg piece by piece. Understood at the level of avian anatomy, the formation of an egg begins in the hen's ovary, where a yellow yolk is released and drops into the oviduct. The first stop is the infundibulum, where this yolk stays for about 15 to 30 minutes, and fertilization takes place here if sperm is present. After this, the yolk moves forward into the magnum section, where over the next 3 hours, a thick protein-rich fluid, albumin or the egg white, wraps around it like a layer. Next, in a section called the isthmus, inner and outer shell membranes are coated over it within 1.5 hours. Then comes the most crucial stop, the uterus or shell gland, where the egg spends about 20 hours. The hen's blood gradually deposits crystallized calcium carbonate over this membrane to form a solid shell. Finally, the fully formed egg comes out through the vagina and cloaca. However, the most shocking truth connected to this manufacturing science of the egg is that the hen requires a massive amount of calcium to build the hard shell. If the hen's feed lacks sufficient calcium on that day, her body begins dissolving its own leg and rib bones, known as medullary bones, from the inside, squeezing calcium out of her bones to strengthen the eggshell. This means that to make a single egg, a hen daily sacrifices a part of her own skeleton. What we consider a simple food item is actually evolution's unmatched 24-hour biochemical assembly line that packs proteins, liquids, and minerals together into a perfect protective capsule. While we care for our bones and diet to stay healthy, the shocking truth of a hen dissolving her own skeleton just to form a single protective capsule in nature's factory is truly mind-blowing. If you want to keep exploring such hidden biological mysteries and incredible health science facts, make sure to subscribe to ToonNeer AI, Complete Health, and join our scientific journey. Stay healthy, stay aware.